Hi everybody, I'm here to try to teach you how to make an NPC. There's a few steps involved. Alright, first thing, make sure you take off any HUDs, AOs, dance HUDs, all that kind of stuff. Once you have that off, make sure you have the outfit or whatever on you want to make the NPC of. Okay, once you have all that ready, then you click the Clone Me gold ball here. You click that, and it will give you a note card. Okay, so you accept that note card. And then you click, right click, edit your clone stand. Inside that stand you want to go to contents. And you see this card here, My Dancer. You want to open that, double click, your card opens. Okay, here's your other card. What you do is you right click, select all, right click, copy, and you paste that over here. Click on your page and click paste, and then you click save. So now this card has saved you as you are. Alright, so you can close the NPC card there, and you can close this card. Now, if you want your avatar to dance or sit or whatever, I'm just going to use dance. You'll have to have the animation that you want her to do. So you just pick your animation and you slide it over into the ball, into the pose stand here. And once you do that, then you close it, click the ball, and it should res you. And there you go. She's dancing. Rotate. So now she's doing your animation. And if you don't want anyone to see this ball, you just right click, edit, hit texture, and make it invisible. Put it all the way to 100%. And there you have it. You now have an NPC. I will add this box to my shop, Cat's Corner. It's in Party Destination Grid, and also in Alternate Metaverse Grid. My shop is called Cat's Corner. This is where you pick up your clone ball and stand. Good luck and have fun.